U-shaped claw band. First we have the round brilliant stone here. We're using a closed curve, which is the offset curve. From the offset curve, we're using points, 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 creating this curve that we are piping to create the claw here and the sphere here, at which we are grouping together. And then we are using orient to curve. To find the curve, we're using the wedding band maker. We're using the B rep to get a surface. And from that surface, we're creating a subcurve. And then using orient to curve to orient these claws onto the ring. You can come up with some fancy ideas, the way to do things, right? This is something different. Probably won't see it, right? But it's innovative, and that's what Grasshopper allows you to do. Think outside the box once you start playing with Grasshopper and AJ. Thank you for watching.